Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just woke up. My hair's a mess. I look a mess, and as you can probably hear, the shower. Nanaki is busy showering in there, and I'm gonna go shower in a second. I just want to make the bed and then set up our clothes. We have a wine tasting at 11, which is our drive. Wine before noon. Who are we? But yeah, guys. So yeah, today we have a lot of things to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna go finish setting up, and then just gonna finish cleaning up, and then we can go. So yeah, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment, and please share the video. Right, anyways, guys, let me just so I am done getting ready. This is my outfit, and we are going for the wine tasting. So I have this dress on from Shein. I wore these shoes because I didn't bring any shoes that would go with this dress. The black ones are very high. It would make the dress look awkward. And I have this bag also. You guys know this bag already from Legit. And I just have on this ring from Shein. So, and this is my full fit. See you when we get there.
Fights, slow jams, all up in the room, whispering sweet nothings. Baby, just me and you. Melodies in the air, dancing to the beat, feeling the rhythm, making the night complete. You're my muse, my inspiration, my sweetest melody. Every word I sing, baby, it's all for you. Can't you see? Your body moves like a symphony, taking me on a ride in this R&B groove. We can't hide. Late night vibes, baby, get lost in the sound. Just you and me, moving to the rhythm.
varietal. It's neither coming from the farm, but from the coastal region. Why
Oh.
coastal region? Because we're looking for good acidity levels, we're looking for freshness, we're looking for minerality, lime, and zestiness. So those characters you get when you plant it along the coast. Fortunately, we do have a farm.
Guys, we are done with the wine tasting. It was amazing. This is such a very fancy spot. You guys, you should see the bathrooms. I'll set like a picture of the bathrooms or something here so you guys can see. Other than that, like, we had a very nice experience, and yeah, our Uber driver waited for us. He's such a great Uber driver. He deserves, yes, he deserves a 10-star. If there was a 10-star, like, I rate this place 100 out of 10. It's amazing, 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 amazing. I'll definitely come back here again. So yeah, guys, right now we're gonna go back to our B&B, and then I'll let you know what we get up to as the day goes. It's around 3 and we have a booking for a spa massage treatment. So we've made it, but we're not sure where exactly we're supposed to go. I am by the road, as you can see. That's why you can probably hear like a bunch of cars. I have on this green dress, and Nanaki is right here with me. She's busy checking where we're supposed to go. So yeah, I'll let you know once we're inside, and I'll take some clips. If they let me film, then I'll take some clips so that you can see. So yeah, we're just gonna go in now. It is so cold here, like the sun, it smells like there's sun, but it's very, very cold. Yeah, Jasmine is the best. Hey. Spa treatment, and it was amazing. We're just waiting for the car to come pick us up. It was freaking amazing. That was the shortest hour of my life, okay? Like, that was very, very short, but other than that, it was such an amazing, amazing, amazing massage. We had fun. And then they offered us drinks, ne? They offered us drinks, so they asked if we wanted non-alcoholic or alcoholic, and we had to choose. So we chose non-alcoholic because we just came back from the wine tasting. We had enough alcohol for the day. So now they say, and then we say non-alcoholic as a choice, and then they're bringing the juice. You guys will not believe. Let me show you. This is the juice. This is the drink. And guess what the drink is? It's a fusion, guys. Let's have a fusion. Not even Wild Island. It's not a fusion. It's a fusion. The fusion in a plastic glass. Yeah. We didn't drink it. Like, yeah, thanks. It's not sharp. But anyways, like the massage, in terms of the massage, this is freaking amazing. I'll probably like put in the name of the spa here. If they have like an Instagram, I'll link the Instagram or whatever, because the spa treatment itself is amazing. And our package came with a free entry to the pool so that we could swim, but we were not keen on that because we have a pool back at our B&B and we were planning on going to the pool down there. Yeah, so anyways, guys, yeah, I'll see you when we get back. But other than that, the thingy was a 10 out of 10. The massage was a 10 out of 10. Guys, the installation that I have on, it's installing me. Do I have an installation on, or am I installing it because wow? But it doesn't show on pictures, which is good, but like in person the lace is there. Like the lace is not lacing at all, guys. It's really not lacing. Please don't come for my lace. If you see it on the vlog, just go ahead, go along with it. Well, and like not restricting, because obviously you have to take your clothes off for the massage, but other than that, like it was a very nice massage. And yeah, see you guys later. My lips are so dry. I knew that this was an in and out, so I didn't even bring a bag. I didn't even bring like lip gloss or anything, so yeah. When we got back, we went down to the pool to go have a little swim and take pictures. We actually didn't swim because the water was freezing. So it's the evening, and by the way, tonight is our last night in Cape Town, so we're gonna go out to dinner. I can't decide. I know that I want to wear these pants because I know it's pretty cold outside, but I can't decide on a top. I have this bralette top. It matches the pants perfectly, but again, these, I feel like this is too revealing for a dinner, especially like a you know, I feel like this is inappropriate to wear to dinner. So I need to come up with I need to find a top. But I really like this outfit, and I also need to decide on shoes. I have not yet decided on shoes. So this is what I wound up wearing. I'll insert pictures there and there. But anyway, so I wore the black trousers. Yeah. I wore the black trousers, as you can see, with this white corset top and that white bralette, the black bralette top. I put that underneath. So yeah, anyways, guys, I'm not gonna film myself packing because I wanna finish one. Because I want to finish. I'm just gonna say goodnight right here. I'm gonna pack and then wash my face and then go to sleep. Yeah, so all in all, it was an amazing trip. We're tired. It's a lot. a lot. But anyways, guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share the video, all that good stuff.
Under the moonlight, your eyes shine bright. In a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In this Afro groove, we flow what we think. Afro R&B flow, feel the night take flight. With every single move, everything. Under the moonlight, your eyes shine bright. In a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In this Afro groove, we flow what we think. Afro R&B flow, feel the night take flight. With every single move, everything.
Taking out my lashes, and I'm gonna go to bed. Hey, forget the install, guys. Forget the install. It is what it is. I'm extremely tired. I leave at 7 a.m. in the morning. I am finally done packing, so yeah, let me just go to bed. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go to bed. I'll wash my face properly in the morning. Way too tired right now. Anyways, guys, please remember to subscribe, comment, share this video. Okay? Yeah, so anyways, guys, I'm just gonna go to bed in my soft pajamas. I'm actually, like, I'm tired, but I'm very energetic. I feel like that massage really did something. That massage really did something. Anyways, guys, let me go to bed. Let me go to bed because I have to wake up super duper early in the morning. Good night, guys. Here I had finished packing, and I was just gonna go to bed. I was so tired.